Welcome to the Proactive Safety System Services Overview. Today, we are excited to showcase our comprehensive range of professional construction staffing services and certified training programs for the energy industry. Our team is dedicated to providing solutions that prioritize safety, efficiency, and quality to meet the unique needs of our valued customers. Company overview. Established date, the 7th of January 2009. Headquarters location, Palm Bay, Florida. Our mission is to provide unparalleled, professional construction staffing services and certified training programs that empower energy projects with a focus on safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. Onshore and offshore wind professionals. Expert staff for wind farm construction and upgrades and retrofit projects. We supply skilled technicians for turbine upgrades and retrofits. We also provide certified professional quality inspectors for construction and for commissioning. We also have talented material and supply experts who keep track of the inventory, entering and leaving your project, and provide daily reports of BOLs and back orders. Our highly trained technical field advisors are experts on heavy lifts and are equipped with the expertise to handle wind farm repowers and new construction projects with precision and efficiency. Our turbine commissioners are skilled and qualified technicians that specialize in turbine commissioning and startup testing and all of the final check completion for turnover. Offshore wind certified professionals, specialized with GWO, offshore certified, and Hewitt certified. We have professionals in all aspects of wind for offshore. Safety, technical field advisors, commissioners, quality inspectors and materials. HSE Safety Staffing Services. Our HSE team consists of experienced and certified safety experts dedicated to maintaining a safe work environment. Our safety advisors provide essential guidance and monitoring to ensure compliance and minimize risks. In the event of an emergency, our professional safety personnel are equipped to respond swiftly with emergency response procedures, which includes recording and implementing emergency procedures. Quality control inspection services. Our qualified quality inspectors look at all hardware conformity aspects, which can include ultrasonic photographic recordings of structural fasteners. We record and inspect and maintain what customers manufacture and then deliver OEM quality products to their customers. Detailed documentation and daily reports offer transparency and help maintain project quality standards. Our certified and experienced linemen specialize in energy transmission and distribution above and below ground, helping our customers ensuring reliable power delivery to their customers. We have power line emergency safety personnel on standby for prompt safety assistance and efficient emergency line groundsmen for swift services restoration during disruptions. Our solar labor force is equipped to handle solar farm construction and installation projects of any scale. Solar farm inspection teams ensure efficient operation and longevity of solar farms. We have technicians and safety personnel for installation of battery load bank energy storage systems, ensuring optimal safety and adherence to industry safety requirements. Certified training programs. Our OSHA-compliant and GWO and offshore safety training courses equip participants with essential safety knowledge and practices on and offshore. Our training programs align with WINDA certification standards like GWOBST, GWOBTT, and AST, the top training skills for the wind energy industry. We ensure the specialized training needed with certifications like NFP, A70E, and CUSP to meet the diverse needs of the energy worker requirements in the wind turbine, solar, and power line safety industry. Now, we would like to thank you. Thank you for your attention and learning about all of our energy service offerings. We are ready to help you take on any new project. Just give us a call and we can discuss ways we can form a team to accomplish any energy project. At Proactive Safety System, we are committed to providing tailored solutions that cater to the unique demands of your project. Please feel free to reach out for further inquiries or to discuss specific requirements. Now, we'd like to open the floor for any questions you may have about our services or any other aspect of Proactive Safety System. We are veteran-owned and run, and we are industry leaders in health and safety management. Email your questions to kwoodworth@hsesafetypartners.com or call 843-608-8212.